If you want to start creating pro beats quickly and easily without shelling out thousands or undergoing a huge learning curve, then you've got to check this out. We've cracked the code on how to make top-shelf beats on the fly with just your PC or Mac. You'll be able to create unique bangers that'll rival Dr. Dre, Timbaland, Scott Storch, and all the greats who use professional studios. All for the price of a fancy dinner for two at your favorite joint. Best part? It doesn't matter if you've never created a beat in your life. You'll be able to quickly and easily create beats like the pros in minutes that'll make your buddies green with envy. It doesn't matter what you're into, house, hip-hop, dubstep, jungle, R&B, trance, or techno. This powerful and affordable software will help you unlock your hidden talent that's just dying to come out. Imagine how it'll feel being able to copy that new beat you just heard in the club, on the radio, or on TV. Or to be able to instantly knock out a new beat once you get the inspiration. Believe me, your confidence will go off the hook when you start banging out beats every single time you use it. Oh, one more thing. You won't have to learn any complicated music theory, or spend thousands setting up your kit. That's for everyone else who doesn't have this software. They'll just put down tons of cash on a high-spec computer, big-name DAW, mixer, VSTs, fancy sound card, and expensive keyboard. I mean, this is 2012. Give me a break. There's no need to blow a huge wad of dough when we've got the technology and software to bust out badass beats in as little as 5 minutes. Introducing Dr. Drum, the sickest software you'll ever buy that'll make it crazy simple to go from a beat-making newbie to a Grammy-winning pro. Most beat production software is created assuming you've been mixing beats for years and have the same techie knowledge as Kanye West's producer to make it all work. Yeah, whatever. Who wants to mess around with all that complicated stuff when you can be churning out beats that'll impress your gang? That's why it's drop-dead simple to start making bass-thumping beats with Dr. Drum. It's the first beat-making software that makes it connect the dots easy to use without compromising on quality or features. Check it out. First, we have our 16-track sequencer, which makes editing your musical masterpiece on the fly fast and effortless. A powerful yet highly intuitive interface allows you to mix your beats without the headache that comes when learning other complicated software. Copy bars or multiple bars with 2 clicks. Tweak each track's volume, low tones, mid-tones, high tones, and pan settings individually until you get the perfect sound. Mute tracks or play them solo to fine-tune that beat. It really is that easy. Next, we have our kick-ass drum machine. A massive 12 pads per kit and a huge database of booming, exclusive mastered sounds to choose from, so you can let your talent shine through. Want to add your own samples? No biggie. Dr. Drum makes it drag and drop simple to import your own custom sounds to use with your beats. Is that awesome or what? You'll also get our 4-octave keyboards where you can add pianos, guitars, synth, strings, bass, FX, and much more, allowing you to knock out awesome beats like crazy. And remember, you can import samples into this section too, giving you the ability to create your own truly unique custom hits. Pretty good so far, right? Well, that's not all, because once you're done, you'll be able to easily export your crazy beats to 44:1 stereo WAV files, not MP3s like the other guys. Seriously, any pro in the music industry will laugh at you for using MP3s. Sure, they're popular, but they're also compressed files that degrade sound quality. You need to be able to create the industry standard 44:1 stereo WAV files if you want to maintain your rep. And Dr. Drum will hook you up. What's more, there's no need to waste time learning boring music theory or any of that nonsense. We've got awesome video tutorials waiting for you in the members area that'll show you how to create unique bangers in minutes. Even if you've never touched a sequencer before in your life, you'll be bringing the heat in no time. How awesome is that? So what are you waiting for? It's time to show off your talent that's waiting to bust out. Click the Add to Cart button below to get started making fresh beats in minutes. But you better act quick. This amazing price is not going to last long, so click the Add to Cart button below and claim your copy of Dr. Drum right now, while it's still hot on your mind. You'll be top billing in no time.